LG SP7Y 5.1 channel high-res audio sound bar 2021 with DTS Virtual X. Click the link below for more info and a special 35% discount offer. LG authorized model includes full LG USA warranty plus 1-year extended warranty. LG SP7Y 5.1 channel high-res audio sound bar with DTS Virtual by 5.1 channel 440W DTS Virtual X Meridian Audio Technology high-resolution audio 24-bit 96 kHz TV sound mode share home theater sound in seconds. Welcome to a great audio combination. The LG SP7Y soundbar with Meridian Audio Technology packs a punch, delivering crisp high-resolution audio over 5.1 channels. Wirelessly connect with Bluetooth 4.0 or use the HDMI 1.4 or optical input for a conventional connection. High-resolution audio, a more enjoyable audio experience. LG soundbar SP7Y delivers 24-bit, 96 kHz high-resolution audio. This produces more accurate sound reproduction so you hear everything exactly as you're supposed to. DTS Virtual X, hear every detail. Transform any movie, TV show or playlist into an immersive, multidimensional audio experience. DTS Virtual X envelops the listener with virtual height and virtual surround channels, plus enhanced bass and crystal clear dialogue. With 2021 LG TVs, sounds like a perfect match. Pair with new LG TVs to enjoy the full potential of your TV's sound engine through DV sound mode share. Stylish design, the difference is in the details. LG soundbar SP7Y looks as good as it sounds with stylish side panels, elevated controls, and premium fabric. Every detail has been carefully considered to create a pleasing aesthetic that complements both your TV and home decor. Bundle includes LG SP7Y 5.1 channel high-res audio sound bar with DTS Virtual X, wireless active subwoofer, magic remote control, 2 AA batteries, optical cable, wall mount bracket, LG authorized 1-year USA limited warranty, 1-year warranty extension, 2x Deco gear 6FT universal. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.